My name is Maximus Beridius, commander of the Fluffy Legions, veteran of the 100 Nap campaign, servant to no child, and I shall have my vengeance in this nap time or the next. Welcome to a brand new episode of Dan's History Highway. Let's do it. Hey history teachers and enthusiasts, Dan from Dan's History Highway here, and today I'm showing you one of my favourite lessons that combines hands-on learning, crafty fun and ancient violence, the Roman Army Teddy Bear Project. This is not your average worksheet lesson. In this lesson, students will explore life in the Roman army by creating their own teddy bear, from emperor to generals, centurions, down to soldiers, complete with helmets, laurels, armour, and even a foam gladius or two. Have you ever seen a teddy bear lead a Testudo formation or form a Maniples? How about a bear sporting the Roman motto, "If you want peace, prepare for war"? Well, your class is about to. Here's what you get in the resource. A full PowerPoint that walks students through the ranks of the Roman army and what they might look like. A crafty, creative main activity where students design their own Roman soldier bears using printables, foil, fabric, or full-on Build-A-Bear vibes. A digital version in easel, because I see you, tech-savvy teachers. A printable and digital drag-and-drop card sort called Heads and Tails, where students piece together the daily life of a Roman soldier. And a battle tactics diorama challenge, because yes, your bears are going to war. This project is perfect for visual and kinesthetic learners. It's ideal for group work, and even better, it's low prep. It makes a great corridor display or showcase assembly for your department. And by the end, students won't just know about Roman soldiers, they'll be emotionally attached to them. Teachers love this lesson because it's super engaging, it's great for teamwork, it's packed with lots of subject-specific content, and honestly, it's terrific fun. I've had students arguing over whether their bear needs a red cape or what type of armour they should have on. That's the kind of historical immersion I live for. So if you want your classroom to come alive with history and bear warfare, head over to Dan's History Highway on Teachers Pay Teachers and grab this lesson. The link, as always, is in the comments below. And let your students march into history like never before. Wishing you a wonderful day. Bye-bye now. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new lesson idea. Check out Dan's History Highway on Teachers Pay Teachers for discounted bundles, dollar deals, and tons of resources, all organised by topic in the toolbar on the left. The link's in the comments below, so go have a browse. See you next time, and keep bringing history to life in your classroom.